Hey guys, oh look, we gonna watch this video about how they make tires in Pakistan. I didn't even know people made tires still. I thought it was all machine done. We gonna find out. Right. Is this all from recycled good? Is that what's going on? Yeah, that don't look like they going by OSHA standards at all. I think this definitely not America. They would have been shut down. Looking at this walking around, I bet they all got on flip-flops too. Everybody got on flip-flops around. Look, stuff just popping around, burning and melting. I bet they got on flip-flops. No eye protection. It's crazy. Look, that's not a real entrance. That's weird. Look, no eye protection, no headgear. Look, it's drug. Look, there's no signs, no regular. Nobody telling no. Who's the safety officer here? Is there a safety officer present? Look, what I say? Flip flops, right there. Flip flops. You see him? Let me take. Yep. Look. Pause that. See? Look, flip flops. I told you. Watch. Look how close his head is to that moving thing. Look, there should be a cage on that. This is crazy. This is irking me. I was in the Army too long. I can't work in these conditions. Look, flip-flops, shorts on, no eye protection on, nothing. Just scoop, look, hair, oh, just, look how close, look, his hair just, oh no, brother, see? Young man, you are also a safety inspector. No, listen to me. If you work somewhere, guys, and they got you walking around in flip-flops, I'm not saying just quit. I'm saying you could do better. Get you some eye protection, put you on some feet, some like closed-toe shoes, no shower shoes in the day room right now, and get yourself to work. This is ridiculous. Rocking Fila, that's a problem right there. Yep. You got on flip-flops too? Everybody got on flip-flops. You can't, look, you at work, brother. I like flip-flops as much as everybody else on, but you can't walk. Well, I guess everybody the foreman got on slides too. Never mind. He has to be the foreman because he white. He said everything he wearing is still white. Oh, what's that? All that plastic, all that rubber, just a little smidgen or whatever that was. Okay. You got this, baby. You know what you're doing. I don't know. Okay. That is not, I was gonna say they got a weld-on oil machine here, but this does not look well or oiled at all. This does not look like they maintain none of this shit. Do they ever sweep? Y'all ever sweep here? Okay. I guess y'all gonna factory Ford assembly line this shit, huh? I see you, baby. I see you. Y'all got this. I don't even know what just happened. So y'all have to toast it before you use it? Y'all gotta toast the rubber first? Cause y'all just put it in there, now you took it up out of there. It looked like the same shit you put in there though. I don't know. I don't assume to know your process though. Is this where you actually melt it? Okay. Oh, it look warm in that, yeah. Did y'all make this? Y'all look. Y'all could have made somebody in my fucking high school class could have put this together. This old sheet metal situation y'all got there. Not judging. I'm just saying. It's really ingenious when you think about it. They making bike tires. Okay. That's how it come out. Was it like the slag, like when you make metal? Why everybody got on flip-flops? I just want to know. Just somebody tell me why everybody, is that like union? Does your union rep, did y'all decide that? Okay. Oh, y'all got individual tire modes? That doesn't seem efficient. Hey, that's rusty too. That don't seem efficient at all, bro. Y'all need to spray that down some WD-40. But y'all know what y'all. This is where tires come from, I think. Like where baby, if I'm gonna see if they know where babies come from. But this is where tires come from for sure. I mean, look, see, he got a good job. All he got to do is fill that bad boy up, fill it up, and slide it. Look, he get the smoke at work and everything. What type of... It's gases and flammable shit around you, brother. You and your little pink pajama pants on. That's okay. Look, he got an easy job. I like everybody got one job. They just do that, bam, slide it over. Somebody else take that, bam, pop the tire out, right? There we go. We living. This what we talking about. This what I'm talking about. Hey, bro, get back over that. There you go. What the fuck you worry about everything else for, bro? You got it ready. Just pop your rub in there and slide your next pan. There you go. See, look. You see what I'm talking about? Teamwork making the dream work. One hand washing the other. Both hands washing the face. I like it. I like it. It's almost this like straightforward assembly line. Wait a minute. Hold on. Time out. Wait, you got to pop the tire out too? No, bro, that's not how assembly line work. Y'all, you doing too much. Tony Wealth, what up, bro? He shared a live, apparently. Appreciate you, my boy. But, no, this ain't what. No, but why you doing two jobs? Why he doing two? Supposed to do one job, bro, one job. Yeah, okay. So you pop. All right, so look, he make the tires and he pop it out and give it to the person. And they do everything else. And they take it on. I get you, now I get you. That's still too much. I gotta stop. I gotta fill it up. I gotta pop it out and give it to this motherfucker. Why can't I just pass? Wait, he too cool to pop the tire off and cut it? Wait, all he gotta do is cut it and stack it and I gotta do all this extra shit? Come on, man, look. There's more tires could be being made. If he was just not, all he had to do was just cut that bad boy and put it in the pile. This is unfair. I need to talk to somebody human resources. Are y'all dating? What the fuck is going on? Why is his job so much easier than mine? That's crazy. Word. Just gonna disregard my complaints. Okay. Stack them bitches. Get them on it. And he got on flip-flops too. Everybody got on flip-flops. I mean, I guess it's rubber. It ain't nothing hard falling on your feet. You just got on, look, flip-flops. There they go again. You ain't even organized. He just tossing them shits. Here, take them. That's it. You brought that big-ass truck for goddamn 200 tires? That's it? You could have put that in the back of a Civic. You for real? You brought that whole... Oh, never mind. Y'all still ain't need that big-ass truck for them little bitty-ass tires. Them big wheel tires that he ain't cut no holes.